welcome back to my channel. So today, where mo punta, loves? We're gonna go to Home Depot para bumili ng... Ano bibili natin, loves? Ano bibili natin?
Pagkain.
Ayun niya kasi ako nagpa-vlog. Hindi niya ako sinusupport.
Talaga.
Ba't ang putla mo dyan? Oh? Ang dilaw mo dyan.
Doon nagkakain ba?
Kinain mo yung lunch mo?
Okay, isa lang.
Hey guys, alis na kami. So we're here at Costco. So, sa video ko. Kaya sa mama. So, I got myself some apparel and some clothes. Let's go na. There we go. I got myself some apparel and some clothes. Kasi mura lang siya, guys. Okay, so we ended up eating here at the steakhouse for our dinner. And hindi ko fit kumain kaya wings lang yung in-order ko.
No.
I'll do the double sweet. Ano yung powder daw? Ano yung powder? And just a little bit of that. That's good. And can I get some butter garlic as well? Seasoning? Yeah. And honey butter. Like we can put anything on that, right?
Huh?
We can put anything on that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I add some cheddar cheese? Thank you. Hello guys, so we're on our way home. So this is the dinner for tonight. Some corn dog from Chongchun. Chongchun?
아까 전수 때까지 갖고 있었잖아. 자, 새끼야. 야, 말씀 비싸나.